Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to discuss about how to update an invoice using REST API. So for this we are going to use this Fusion REST API for the update purpose. And as you see, this is the patch API. So we will select patch method in our Postman, and then here you can see when we are updating any invoice or any record, so we require one unique id, which is whatever the unique id for that module. So in our AP invoice module we are having invoice unique id, so we will provide that unique id in our URL, and then this data you can update with the help of this API. Here you can find in body, request body, you will provide this field in update, and according to your data you can able to update the record. So let's go and check this API in our Postman. So here you can see I selected patch method, and after that this is our Fusion base URL, and after that REST, this is our REST API for that update invoice. And here we need to provide our invoice ID, unique ID. You can see here we created invoice with the help of post API, and we get the invoice ID this. So we will use this API. So we will use this invoice ID while updating the record. So in this API I provided the invoice ID, and here we will going to update the data. So we will make this as 5000. This is demo invoice update, and now you can see submit this request and we get 200. And here you can see we updated the description and the amount. Our amount and description is updated, and you can check this in your this get one API as well. Like earlier it was 4000, now it's 5000, and here also you can see the our description is updated. So this is how you can update your any invoice, and also you can update your invoice line as well here, because you can see in this request body we are having the invoice line as well, and we can update that invoice line from here as well. And here is all the REST APIs for invoices. You can refer this for your reference, like this is create invoice, cancel invoice, many APIs are there. You can go through with each and every REST API, because many times we need to use this REST API for our integration purpose or data get or update purpose. So please go through these all APIs and try to implement and use this using Postman, using integration. And if you like this video, so please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and please comment down if anything you want to discuss. I will make that video also. And till then, keep learning, keep watching. Bye bye.